I'm Louise Cooke with Genealogy Gems. I do the Genealogy Gems podcast, started that back in 2007. And within a year, I launched my membership website. So I was in the early days of podcasting and membership websites, and I did it all myself. And that was exciting as an entrepreneur. But over the years, now we're in 2025, and you find that, wow, things have really changed. There are so many more options, and you find out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And I knew that this year I needed to make some upgrades, some long needed upgrades. I wanted to switch the membership software that I was using and also the payment processors. I did a lot of research and I looked at a lot of different companies and I settled on MemberFix. And the reason I did was because of their devotion to membership websites. They are not trying to do every kind of website. They are trying to come alongside entrepreneurs, from what I can see, and be in the trenches with their membership websites and help them be successful. And that really spoke to me. So we went through the process. It's not easy to make a change after you've had a site up and running for as long as I have. And we had a lot of users, and I didn't want to, upset their lives. I definitely wanted to move the payment processor. That seemed kind of intimidating, and there's rules and regulations. MemberFix had the expertise, and they did walk us through it. It took a little longer than I thought it was going to take. I guess that's not a surprise, and I don't think that's MemberFix's problem, because it's a process, and you go into it together to find out what you've really got and what needs to happen. And I'd say probably their strongest suit is that they remain so calm and so focused. And when a challenge comes up, when something unexpected happened, or we ran into a glitch, their response was always, we're going to do whatever it takes to find the solution. Not finding a solution is not an option. And they meant it, and they did that. And so if it took a couple of extra days, I was fine with that, because I knew that not only did I have Trim and Costi who were working with me on my project, but I knew that they could turn to the other people at MemberFix and their brain trust and find a solution. When we got the project all done, I was so happy. I was just thrilled that we had something that was going to last us for a long time to come, that worked the way I wanted it to work. And we had a couple of things pop up that were unrelated afterward. And I would, jump in there and say, hey, can you help me with this? And they were right on it. And so I've signed up with them as far as my monthly maintenance, because I feel that I can trust them to be in there in my website and care about it. As an entrepreneur, nobody cares as much as you do, but boy, they get pretty close. They really, really see your success as their success. And so I would say, talk to MemberFix and find out what they can do for you. If you have a membership website, I think you'll be in very good hands.